Today we'll prepare classic Indian egg tadka. Tadka is nothing but a mix of different kind of lentils, and it's quite famous in roadside dhabas or highways because it's a wholesome taste and can be easily prepared at home. Just a few tips and tricks and we can prepare awesome egg tadka at our homes. Hey guys, I'm Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and supporting my channel so much. So first we'll make the basic tadka, the veg one, and then I'll show you how to make it anda tadka. So for this dal tadka or lentil tadka, I have taken a mixture of lentils. There are 5 different types of lentils that are commonly used in India, and they are readily available in tadka mix packets. So you can have one, and I have soaked around 1 cup of tadka mix overnight, and then I'll just boil it in a pressure cooker. I have used 1.5 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'll add around 1.5 cups of water. Mix it and pressure cook it on medium to high flame for 1 whistle on high flame and 2 whistles on low flame. Wait till the pressure releases and then open the pressure cooker. And what will be the result? This comes out the result. The grains, each lentil is individually cooked to perfection. See how beautifully they have softened, yet they are separate from each other. That means they are not mashy, or they are not just in a smooth paste consistency. They are perfectly boiled to a nice good consistency. Now what I have done, I have taken here 1 large onion. I have finely chopped them, and I have just divided 80% and 20% so that I will use this in 2 parts. So here goes, I have divided my onions, 1 large onions finely chopped. In the same way, I have taken here 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. You can also take grated ginger, and I will do the same thing. I will just divide it in 2 portions in 80 and 20. I'll tell you why I am doing this, because we need to cook them in this way. This is the thing that do in dhabas, and I have taken here grated garlic around 1.5 tablespoon, and same thing I have done. 2 chopped green chilies I have taken, and either you can take finely chopped tomatoes or crushed tomatoes around 1 large. And the main ingredients of this tadka is the spices. I have used a turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon. Garam Masala powder I have used here around 1.5 teaspoon, and cumin powder and coriander powder each 1 teaspoon each, and red chilli powder around 1 tablespoon. You can also use Kashmiri red chilli powder here, but I prefer the normal ones. And then last but not the least, Kasoori Methi or dried fenugreek leaves around 1.5 teaspoon. So to begin with, I have heated a pan here. To it I will add mustard oil around 1.5 tablespoon, and when the oil is nicely heated, I will add chopped green chilli. I will just cover it so that it doesn't sputter out. Then I will add chopped garlic and chopped ginger, the ones that I had separated. The larger part I will add here, and I will saute this in medium to high flame. And when my onion, ginger and garlics are done, I will add onions. Same here, I will add the large separated part, the large one, that means the 80% we had separated, that I will add. Cook all the ginger, onions and garlic till they have release a nice smell on medium flame. And when it is done, when they turn golden, I will add the spices here. There goes my turmeric powder, then cumin powder and coriander powder, and then goes the red chilli powder. As I said, you can also prefer the Kashmiri red chilli powder here. Give everything a nice mix and cook it for just 1 minute till the spices are nicely done on medium flame. Then I will add the tomatoes and around a half teaspoon of salt so that these spices mix together very well, the aromatics and the dry spices. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame till you see the spice mix is nicely roasted. See how beautifully the oil has separated. At this stage, increase the flame to highest and add the boiled tadka or the lentils that we had boiled, and I'll add here water around half cup more. I just want a slight watery consistency, and as I have increased the flame to high, cover it and let it cook for good 4 to 5 minutes or till you see these flavors have nicely mingled together. Oil has come to the top of the curry. Now give a nice mix so that some part of this curry would be smashy and some would remain whole. Now I'll add garam masala and the kasuri methi. Just leave little kasuri methi for the next tadka, and this should be the consistency, a beautiful, perfect, creamy, yet the lentils are visible and the consistency should be semi thick in this way. Now comes the dhaba part. Now what they do, this dal is ready till this stage. When we give a order, they prepare it this way. Just heat a pan to highest and add mustard oil and heat it till it becomes smoky. You can also use ghee at this stage. Then add the remaining small part that we had left of ginger, garlic, onions, and toss it on high flame. When it's done, just toss it for 30 to 40 seconds. Add tomatoes and toss it very nicely on high flame. You can see the flames, and when it's done, pour the tadka that we had prepared. What this does is that it induces the additional flavor, the smoky and the rustic flavor that we often have in dhabas. So my hot and simmering tadka is ready. Our base is ready. For egg tadka, we need 3 whole eggs, and I'll just add little salt to it and mix it, and this will give a very nice flavor to this tadka. So let's prepare the egg. For that I have heated a pan on medium flame. I'll add around 1 tablespoon of oil. You can also use butter at this stage, and when it is mediumly heated, don't heat too much. The pan should be medium hot. I'll add this egg mix. It's basic egg mix, nothing fancy, and the trick here is it should be creamy, it should not be dry, and so I'll roast it on medium flame for just 2 to 3 minutes max. Make sure you can do this process also in low medium flame, and once you are done, just spread it and make a space in between, and now I can add the tadka that I had prepared. Increase the flame and mix it. 3 to 4 things are very important here. First, the temperature of the oil. Second, the egg should be creamy and mushy, and third, at this stage when you put the tadka should be little watery, and if it is dry, just add around half cup of water and mix it. And lastly, add some Kasoori Methi or Fenugreek leaves and give it a nice mix, and a hot, bubbling, simmering tadka is ready. This gives the authentic flavor of Indian dhabas, and now I'll serve it. Veg tadka and egg tadka, though the difference is of only egg, but the taste and flavor of accumulating the eggs completely changes the two dishes, and this also adds to the tadka because of goodness of eggs. So do give it a try, and onions and green chilies are a must when we talk of roadside dhabas. So I hope you have liked this video. Do give this a try and let me know your feedbacks. If you have liked the video, give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.